genocellular SPRPSNP. As a maritime student, it is very important for us to be aware of our safety and health. That's why we are introduced to OSH and PADAMs for us to be able to look forward on how to maintain work and body precautions and on what way we can avoid drugs and alcohol intakes which is dangerous to every future seafarer and fairer health so in order to become successful seafarer we need to follow all of these reminders to avoid future problems, especially during work application and medical checkups. I hope you have learned something for this video.